Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's Teaching. I am Ruchi here. I have come with a new video, that is MS Word mailings. Already I have completed references, still references I have completed in my previous videos. Today I will be dealing with mailings. Right now here you can see the screen on your screen. You have MS Word opened, and I have clicked on mailings option, that is mailings tab. In that you can see most of the options are not highlighted, that means those are de-highlighted. Actually, what is the purpose of the mailings? Okay, first let me talk about the channel. If anybody have seen this channel first time or this video first time, this channel name is Ruchi's Teaching. In this channel, it is I will be dealing with all. It's a pure computer education channel, and I will be dealing. I am Ruchi. I will be dealing with all computer topics. I'll be explaining all computer languages. If anybody has not seen the introduction channel, if you see this, you will be understanding what is the purpose of this channel. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it to your friends, and you can share in Facebook, Instagram, as much as you can, so that this knowledge may reach others also. Okay, then let's enter into the video. Now here, can you see my cursor moving? Now I have clicked on mailings. So actually in mailings tab, most important thing here is only mail merge. Here only mail merge is the important one, and these are just envelopes and labels. If you want to, when you want to write envelopes, you all know what is envelope. Envelope is nothing but it is a letter, create and printing letters there. Envelopes in the sense, outside the letter, how you will be seeing that envelope, address, everything, all those things you can do. Even labeling also the same thing, but the important thing in mailings is only mail merge. So today I am going to explain you about mail merge, how to do mail merge. First of all, let me explain what is the use of the mail merge. Guys, like for example, suppose if you want, you will be sending mails to your friends or people. So when you are sending mails or letters, if it is one letter, it will be easy. Two letters, it will be easy, you can type. At least 4 to 5 letters also you can type, but hundreds of letters you can't type at a time, or you can't send at a time. For that purpose, you will be using this mail merge. Mail merge is used to send the letters or mails for thousands of people at a time, simultaneously, at a time. All the mails will be sent to the people, hundreds of people. So mostly this mail merge is used for the messages, like one message sending to thousands of people or hundreds people, like that. For example, I will take New Year wishes. New Year wishes, suppose if you want to send New Year wishes to your friends, the message will be same. New Year wishes message will be same, but the address will be different. That means different people sending one message. So one message to multiple people can be done with the mail merge. And not only New Year wishes, for example, if you take college or schools, institutions, for the parent letters, there I'm talking about parent letters. For example, any fees saying they have to pay the fees, they will send one message that so and so amount they have to pay, but different students, names of the students will be there. So if you take one class, class of students. For example, 60 students are there, 60 letters with the same message but different address. So that type of letters can be done with this. So now we'll start the letter. I will show you how to do the mail merge, and before that, like first I will let me take New Year wishes for the for doing the example. Now I will type the letter first. Now open the document, come in, click on the this thing document. No need of header here, sorry. Now I will type dear what, dear friend. I won't type anything friend, but I will just, I'm saying dear friend you will be typing, or dear some name, but I will say only dear, and I'll come down and I will type the message happy new year, and come down. To whom? From whom this is coming? From your name, my name. I will write my name, Ruchi. Right? Now, here I said different address I said. So, where you will type address? Above that. So, here you will be typing the address, right? Address of the persons you are sending, right? Sorry. Okay. So, address will come down here. Address will come down. Here you will be getting the address, and here dear name of the person, and saying Happy New Year from Ruchi. Now what I will do is, here near address I have to type different addresses. This letter I have done once, but I will be sending this letter to hundreds of people at a time. Understanding what my aim or what my intention to you to explain is, I am doing only one letter here. I am typing only one letter. But see, I am not typing dear so and so name. I am not giving particular name. Just I am saying dear, and I will be getting different names over here. For one person, one letter will go. One person, one letter will go. And different whoever is there, that person's address will be displayed here. Now what I will do is, first type this letter, first save it. Okay. No, sorry, don't save first. Go to mailings and say select recipients. Right. Okay. So in select recipients, when you have clicked on select recipients, you got some this one, what to say, address list dialog box. Here can you see new entry, delete entry, find, all these things will be using now. And one more thing, can you see here title, first name, last name, all these things are not needed for us, right? All these things are not needed for us. So what I will do is, I want the address here. See, I have written address. Address will be what? City, state, country name, and phone number, house number, all those things. So I am going to type those fields here. These are nothing but this title, first name, last name are the field names. Already they are by default, they are there. I don't want to my letter all those things. I want to create my own field names. We will call these as field names. Those field names you will be giving here. So then it will take the different names. And dear, near dear, what I said, name should come, name of the friend. So all those things I will show you now. Now come down, go to customize columns. Now what is there here? Already some different field names are there. Whichever field name I don't want, I will remove. I can remove, or I can add more names. But what I am going to have, if some names are there, so I will use it. To title I don't want, I will say delete. Say yes. Now first name I will keep it like that only. In the name of the friend, like name of the person, I will type in the in first name. So I will delete last name. I clicked on that last name, and I am going to delete it. It is saying to delete. Yes. Now I don't want company name. If you don't want, you just leave it off. It will not trouble you in the middle also. No. So now address line 2. For if I may get confusion, that's why I am deleting extra ones. Address line 2, delete it. Yes. Now I want to keep city, state, and I don't want zip code. I want country, and I want home phone. So I will take only 3 and 4 things. And if I want to type some more, like more field names, I can type also. How? For example, I'll delete this first name, delete. Yes. And I will say add. What it is asking? Type a name for your field. Now I will say name of a person. I want name of a friend, no. So I am saying name, okay. Now it will add in that. It has come now here. Now I will enter into that. I will say okay, and I will now see here. Can you see your name, address, whatever I kept, those have come. I don't want company name. Now I will enter into directly name, and I will say Sandy, name of the friend. Any name you can give, like your friend's name. 2 dash address 46, like city, Mumbai, state Maharashtra. Okay, and still what else? I don't want zip code, and I want country, right? Country and home phone I will take. So now what I am doing here, I am giving records. We will call this as records. One person, whole address, one record. That means one letter. For one letter I am doing this one. Country India, home phone any number, whichever number you want. Okay. Then next come to next entry. Right, one entry I gave. I want second entry. For that you have to go to new entry. Got it? Now company name again I don't want. I want the name of a friend. Which name? Rahul. Okay, address Mumbai again I will give. Next Maharashtra. India, phone number. Okay, now 2 entries I am giving. If you want you can take more, but the video will become lengthy, that's why I am taking only 2. So I will be showing only 2 letters to you, but you can add many entries, right? Now say, now what you have done, you have given names and address of your friends to whom you are sending this letter, right? Okay. Now what happens? Now it is asking to save that particular data. So what you will do is, you just, I am saving it on my desktop. So always I will save everything in my desktop only, on my desktop only, so that it will be easy for me to check it out. Now I will give some name, 1. Okay, save. Right, now you are not saving this document, you are saving the data document. Just now what we have done, that data is saved. Now after you observe, watch these options. The moment you have saved, these are highlighted. See, edit, before it was not highlighted. Edit recipient list, address block, greeting line, all these have been highlighted. Why? Because we have given a data. Now you see what happens. See, greeting line is nothing but, instead of dear I gave here, instead of, suppose if I have not given dear, and directly I will be going to what I will show here. I will enter one. Already dear I have written here, but if you have not written dear, you have to go to greeting line and see. Can you see here dear? Already it's there. So for first thing it is taking dear sir or madam. Okay, I say okay. Right, what is it? It is showing, it is showing the greeting line. That means it is not taking the first recipient here only. Here only it will take the, it will show after completing the mail merge, this one. Now what is this? Now let me do first. Okay, I will show you. I will tell you afterwards what highlight merge fields. Now go to insert. First keep your cursor here, right, and go to insert merge field. Here can you see, when you clicked on insert merge field, can you see the names what all we have, field names have come here, what all we have given there, field names they have come here. Now whichever field name you want to place it in address place, here you can select. Now I will select address line there, and next just come down. I want city down. Right, I'll go to insert merge field again, and what I will do is I will say city. I will say insert. Right, now come again down, or else I will directly now. Okay, you'll get confused if I do that. Okay, close it. Come down. What else you want here? We have given state also, no? So I want state to be displayed there. So insert merge field, state. Got it? Next come down. Come down. Where you want then that field name, you bring the cursor over there. And now again click on insert merge field. Already I have placed city, state, and now I want country there. So country will come down, has come, and again come down and take the place again. Take the place again, and now again go to merge field, and whichever you want, home phone we give. Okay, now why you might have understood by keeping all these things why I am placing all this. So this is for only one letter I am doing, but it takes for many recipients. Understood? Now come down again, dear, near dear. What you want? Name of the friend. Name of the friend or name of the person to whom you are sending. Name. Okay. Insert. Got it? Right? See, name you got. Already the same thing will be repeated here in greeting line. If you have not given dear, directly you can go to greeting line like this. For example, for your purpose, I have taken greeting line again to show that what it happens when greeting line if you give. Okay. Next. Okay. Now just observe your letter. This is only one letter, right? This is the only one letter we have typed. Now just see what happens. Now go to, now we have completed everything, we have set, we have done it. Now if you want to see the results, just to say preview result, it will take only first recipient. First recipient I gave name Sandy. See, I am clicking on the preview results. Can you see here Sandy? Only first recipient it is taking. And down can you see dear sir or madam. That means if you don't want to mention any name, that you can use this dear sir or madam, right? Okay, like that greeting line will come like this. So see, Sandy's total address it is showing, and down letter is shown like this. So this is for one recipient. Now if I change number here, second one, again I will show you preview results. What happened? See, Rahul. See, if I go for 1, automatically it is changing. Can you see? 1 Sandy. And if I go to 2, see, automatically it is changing Rahul. That means how many recipients you will type, that many recipients letter will be displayed. Okay. Now go to finish merge. And after this, when you clicked on finish merge, click on edit individual documents, click on it. what happens? It is saying, should I merge all the things, all the records? It is asking, yeah, you should say all and say okay. What happened? See, this is first letter, Sandy letter, and this is second letter. Can you see here? Two letters. I have typed two letters, so it is showing two letters. If you type 10 records, 10 recipients. If you type 100 records, 100 recipients, it will show 100 letters, right? Understood? Now I think by this you might have understood this mail merge. So this is how you will be doing mail merge. With this I have completed mailings tab also. And what else? One second, I will show you in this. Now I'll just close this. This is the output letter. I'll close it. It's don't save. Again you have come to main letter. Now can you see here highlight fields, some are there. Edit recipient means if you click on edit, here it will show the all the records, whichever you are typing, those records it will show here. Okay, and highlight the merge fields means these are the fields. Now I'll show you highlight. It will show. See, it is highlighting the fields, right? See, the names or the field names, whichever you have given, it is getting highlighted. See, okay, some light blue color has come. Okay, next, what else I have to? Nothing is there in this. Okay, with this I have completed mailings, and next topic will be that is in upcoming video, review and view. Most probably I will be doing review and view both at a time in one video, and because those are much important things are not there in that, so I'll complete it fastly in that video, review and view. Okay then, thank you friends. Before saying thank you, I would like to say, please, I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please like it, share it to your friends, and please share this in your Facebooks and Twitter, Instagram, and many friends, as much as you can. Please friends, and so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay then, thank you, bye.